From a base paint of lead Belcher, in this case it was spray can just because of the number of models in the set, covered the entire model in a 50-50 mix of silicon grey and contrast medium. Doing an entire army in this colour scheme, I've made a 50-50 mix of the bottle so that you have enough on hand at any given moment. The main trick with contrast is really to saturate the model and then afterwards drying off the brush and soaking away the excess. Out any areas you wish to be black with Abaddon Black. In this case it was the left shoulder pad, the area in front of the helmet and the two kneecaps. Pick out any areas you wish to have hazard stripes with the base coat of Averland Sunset. In this case I picked the right shoulder pad, but any with a flat surface really will do, and if you want to vary it across the range of models just for interest, go right ahead. Paint the smokestacks on the power plant with Balthazar Gold. You can also break up any metallic areas with this colour as well if you wish. Glaze the bottom of the yellow panels with Mournfang Brown. Now to be fair, this effect is more noticeable on the bigger models, so on the doors of the Rhino in the previous video, but certainly no harm, it doesn't take all that long. Glaze the top of the yellow areas with Yriel Yellow. Paint the black stripes using Black Legion Contrast. Black Legion Contrast doesn't have full opacity, but allows for kind of easier painting, so flows neatly off the brush, and certainly gone over the area a second time just to refine the edges. Also, as you can see in the even angle of the video, you want to pull down in the direction it's comfortable, so position the model that allows for the easiest of painting. In this case I find it easier just to pull straight down vertically. Shade the Balthazar Gold areas with Agrax Earthshade. Highlight the black areas with a single colour using Mechanicus Standard Grey. Certainly even this step is probably a bit much, but definitely makes the areas that are black pop a little bit more, but I wouldn't bother going beyond the single colour highlight on any of these models. Pick out the eye recesses using diluted white scar. They're actually fairly defined on this model, so basically just dipping the tip of the brush in, allowing it to fill the entire area, and even overspill is no problem because you're going to use it trying to sell the OSL effect. Glaze the areas of white and the areas around with thinned Blood Angels red contrast. And this is the finished result. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to keep up to date with the latest videos, and check out the channel for any more tutorials you might be of interest.